Hello, dear students. In this module, we are going to study how to write chemical formulas. Let us take an example of common salt. It's a chemical compound which is very widely used in the field of chemistry. It is used to study many chemical reactions. Chemically, sodium chloride is common salt. Its chemical formula is NaCl. Similarly, other elements are also there and they have their symbols like carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid, hydrogen sulfide, and aluminium oxide. So, why we are writing numbers with them? What is the purpose of writing numbers? Or can we change sodium chloride or can we write it as chloride sodium? Or can we say that instead of carbon dioxide CO2 we can write C5O? We can use any kind of random numbers in the chemical formulas. So many questions are going to tickle inside your brain. So there are certain rules for writing the chemical formulas. So these rules are need to be followed. But first of all, we should know what is chemical formula. Chemical formula means the symbolic representation of the composition of a compound. In a chemical formula, we are able to know about the number of atoms present in a molecule which is constituting that particular compound. So that is the importance of chemical formula. Let us take an example of water. Water is composed of one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. Then why it is so? Why we have one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms? So this is the kind of fact which depends upon the valency. The elements always combine according to their valencies. So what is a valency? Do you know about it? Now it is a new thing. Valency simply means the combining capacity of the atoms. As you all know that atoms donate electrons, accept electrons or share electrons. So this combining capacity is known as valency. For example, oxygen the valency is 2 and hydrogen the valency is 1. So in order to satisfy the valency of oxygen, two hydrogen atoms will be required. So when we will crisscross their valencies, then it will be H2O, means two hydrogens will be required to satisfy the valency of oxygen. So this is the concept of valency. So now we'll study what is the rule for writing a chemical formula. Let us assume it as rule number 1. Why we don't write chloride sodium in place of sodium chloride? So please remember this rule that whenever we are writing the chemical formula of a particular compound, the first letter or the first thing is that you need to write the name of the metal, and the second letter it belongs to the non-metal. So sodium is metal and chloride is or chlorine is a non-metal. So we need to write it as sodium chloride. Thank you.